The best that got even better is now even better. The world-famous, USA-made Dust Deputy 2.5 Deluxe All-Clear Cyclone Separator Kit from Oneida Air Systems. The Dust Deputy 2.5 uses cyclonic action to literally spin 99.9% of fine dust and debris out of the airstream before it reaches your wet-dry vacuum's filter, eliminating filter clogging and suction loss. The Dust Deputy 2.5 Deluxe Kit is available with the all-new transparent collapse-proof 5-gallon bucket and all-clear quick-release bucket lid, which allows the dust fill level to be easily observed from across your shop. The new, larger Cyclone design is optimized for today's larger, more powerful vacuums and delivers up to twice the airflow of smaller Cyclones and lid-style separators, allowing you to collect more dust at the source. The new Dust Deputy 2.5 Deluxe Kit includes 3 feet of 2-inch clear anti-static polyurethane connection hose and 2 90-degree hose elbow adapters to give you a jump start on your dust collection journey. The new Dust Deputy 2.5 Deluxe Kit also includes 4 free-rotating mounted casters with onboard accessory storage for 1.5-inch and 2.5-inch vacuum accessories to provide a highly stable and portable setup. Move your Dust Deputy 2.5 Deluxe Kit and your vacuum around as one unit with the included tether pack. Save yourself from the hassle of costly filter replacement and get your USA-made Dust Deputy 2.5 Cyclone Separator Deluxe Kit with all new high-visibility components today from Oneida Air Systems, the industry leader in dust collection.